Everybody, let in this video talk how we could manage our design or how to make our design more wonderful. I'm going to provide a lot of tools that make our design more beautiful and more attractive. So I will teach you about the shape and selector in this tutorial. Let's step aside this button. I have this button. I want when someone I want to give it specific shape, and when someone on a click on it, I give it specific view. So to get started, I will go to Drawable and create my file, drawable file. I will name it bu color underscore color. Okay, that's meant for button color. If you see, I have one XML file that have file name selector. I will start working with this file. I will give it item. Item, this means the normal work. So the normal, how is appear that my activity. Let me do preview, so to allow you to see what I'm doing now. I'm doing in a view. This means that if I just adding item, this means the normal state. I will tell you about what normal state means. Let me design my layout. First of thing, I want to do something. I want to give it specific shape. So I will say, okay, I will have a shape, and this is my shape. Just making sure from my work, I will also, let me just expand that part. I will add this XML to my item also, so to my shape also, so could I access to this to Android properties this shape. So what my shape will have, let me say my shape will have a specific color. I will say, okay, it have sold. The sold color for my shape will be Android color. I will give it specific color. I will let me give it this hexadecimal EF4444. So this is just normal color. I give it to my buttons is the red color. If you see sold mean the sold place for my shape how I want it. If I give it a red, so the shape will be sold color, the content will be red. So how it be the corner? Let me talk about my corners. I would say, okay, my corners, I would give it radius. Let me give it around 150 dB. You will understand 150 dB mean in seconds. See how I'll make it the corner. When I change it to 110, 100, see. So it's whenever you change it, this means the rectangle, the size of your the side for your shape. If you see when I did it 115, see how the shape is changed. So okay, this one give it the red color, this one give it specific shape from the side. Now let me go next and talk more. Let me say, okay, I want to give it specific side, so I will give it stroke in this way. The stroke will be what color I want to give it. Let me give it this color. I would give it color. Let me give it this color. Then I will give it specific width. Let me give it width for just testing. I will give it 10 dB. Then I will close. If you see there is this color, if you see it here, this be the corner. I don't want it to be 10, but just to show you how it's working, I will give it 1 just to make it more nicer. Okay, I have it. Let me just apply this shape on any button. So let me go to this button. I want to apply this shape. I would say I will give it background color at drawable BU color. If you look through this shape, see how the button will be, how the color for, how the background, how the side for this button. Let me go here and add another specific thing, make this color, this button more nice. I will add padding. So if I say, okay, I will add padding, what's the padding I have? I put them from the left to dB. Padding, you know what padding mean how much the space I will left for my component. Then I will say left, I will say 2 dB, I will say right, I will say also 2, just to separate my data from the side. Then I will add I have bottom right, still I'm missing top. I will say, okay, 2 dB. It's really good to add the padding because you have here is the shape, so make sure you add enough padding for your shape. For example, as at least 12, for example, to not make your text going out of the syntax. Now that's great. I have button and I know how to apply it for it, and everything is nice. Now this shape, I could give it specific thing. So I say, okay, this shape should be rectangle, for example. It's really easy to do that. Just say shape then give it, for example, rectangle. He will consider this shape as a rectangle shape. You could do that. So now I have normal item. This is when I play this project, you will see the button with different color. Yes, you will see it, but I want when someone click on the button, I need to see a different color just in time of clicking. So okay, now the button all time have same color. I need to give it specific color. Very easy. Just take this item, copy it, go down. Let's see, this is the second item. I want this item will execute on a specific state. Well, the state I want to execute, I want to state preset. So I would say, okay, state the button just execute this code. This code, I could give it everything. I just give it, like, for example, different color. I will give it F9, F9, F9. This is white color. So when someone press the button, execute this block. I have to take this one and add it before the normal item because this is how Android work. So yes, take this block. Now let me rerun again and see what we have. See, this is the button. Now when I click it, see the color changed when someone click. That's okay. Now you understand a great way to how to work with ship. Not only sold, not only corner, string, not only padding. There is another one that named gradientals. This means if you want specific color from where you want to start and where you want to end. So start color, for example, I will start from, for example, I want to start from the color F9, 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 F9. Then I want to end color, for example, end color, I would say F, 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 F. And how much the angle for that, I would say angle 20, 30. This way, when you want to use different color like this, I will take this line and I will add it not here. I will pass it to this normal item. This in case you don't want to use a block of bold color, salt color. You want to use like a dragging from one color to another. So you use the gradient, you just define start and end, then define other stuff. So here we done, and see you next.